Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time on my channel, my name is Larry. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back. Today's video is about this look I did on my gorgeous model. Yes, I did a video on hair, but I'll be posting that before this particular video. So if you want to know how I achieved this look, kindly continue watching, and if you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe down below. Without wasting much of your time, let's get the video rolling.
2, 3, funky.
So to start off, I'll be using the Floma Cosmetics loose powder in the shade Light Sand to set her brows. This actually helps her brows to kind of mattify throughout the day. Stay matte throughout the day. Now I'm using my spoolie brush to brush her brows or her hair upwards. Yes. So I'm using the Davis number 3 pencil to outline her brows as I'm doing. And I'm very sorry because this video was not kind of close up like my previous video I did on hair. With this particular video I kind of had some problem with my setup, but the video itself is not bad. Yes, so now I'm kind of I'm actually outlining her brows and filling the inner part of her brows with lighter strokes. Guys, do forgive me, I'm very tired. And I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn and Espresso. I'll be using the Fawn to clean the down part of her brows, and I'll be using Espresso with foundation to clean the upper part of her brows. Yes, and please, if you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe down below. Click on the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Yeah, so what I'm doing now is just dragging the concealer downwards. Yeah, so to clean the upper part, as I said earlier, I'll be using her foundation together with LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Espresso to clean the top part of her brows. Please stay tuned. Continue watching and do trust the process. Yeah, the process sometimes looks a bit patchy, roughy, but at the end of the day, it's worth watching. Yeah, and comment down below what you think about this look. Yes. What I'm doing now is just blending the excess concealer on her eyelid, and I'll be using an eyeshadow base from, I think it's Benai. Yeah, I'm using the Benai as an eyeshadow base. Yeah, so I'll be blending that together with the concealer. I don't want any demarcation between that Benai and the concealer. And the palette I use in this particular tutorial is the no name palette I bought from Discount Bar on Instagram, so you can actually check it out. So my first shade is this shade right there, which is very pigmented, as well as the palette is so pretty. Every shade in that palette, it's superb. So, and it's very affordable as well. You can check that out. I'm blending it in her crease, as well as diffusing it into her inner corner, the inner corners of her eye. So my next shade is this 2 shade right there, which my camera was not able to capture it well. I think it looks like an orange shade, so I'm using that as her lid shade, if that makes sense. Is that the lid shade? Whatever, I'm just using that to diffuse the other shade I used earlier on. So I kind of lost the first shade, so I went back with it, a little bit of it, to blend, and remember to blend everything seamlessly. You don't want any demarcation between both shades. So I went back with the Benign White to kind of give me a clean canvas to apply my lid shade, if that makes sense. I kept on saying the lid shade. I'm actually confused here. So I'm using this silver shade over there on top of the Benign. And guess what? I went back with the purple shade to kind of blend everything from. So I later on decided to add glitters to the look. I'm all over the place, you guys should forgive me. I added glitters to the look, so I added 3 glitter, those 3 that I showed you guys earlier on. Yeah, I added those 3 and I did not regret it. The look was superb. She was looking all pretty. Yes, so for the rest of the face, I'll let you guys enjoy the rest of the video since it's self-explanatory. Yeah, so if you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe down below, click on the notification bell to get notified. Enjoy the rest of the tutorial. Yeah, guys, lest I forget, her gele was tied by Faridat Bridal. She's on Instagram as Faridat Beauty, the same name on Facebook as Faridat Beauty. You can actually check her out. I'll leave the link to her handle down the description box. So this is our final look. If you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe down below. Click on notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. So until we meet again, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye.